Malu cái chăng đó chạy nhor cái đùng dit media cái chăng đó có phải bang one karon khin dang rau udi jan dang rau udi diech baga yenong la tila no yeni chang cái đùng dit media cái tin to cái junub Sudan cái nó win mo no dien la la ne yeni chang cái đùng dit media an wan ro gwa la re cái tung no ra timil ngran tung no ra la re tingo re le linga cái junub Sudan cái nó win mo no dien baga lengan wan cái đùng dit media rồi là lui đây ní chẳng muốn rồi này cái gì diễn liền của tôi gọi là liền cái dâu đó anh quan cái đường dit media chỉ là anh dâu mà lại giặc cái share cái bia like anh vô share cái share like bên đây anh quan bao cái chụp và phải cho mình promote là qua mà qua cô ban lạt con ban cái LinkedIn aja nên qua cô ban cái social media này ban cái group này diễn thì cô ban use con ban cái link này đấy các ban là con lạt rodian cái junub Sudan cái thai mẹ nó còn thế anh quan là cái đường dit media thì là có lỡ trong quan đó cái nông thì chia phải thua cái junub bác rồi cái thứ sao rồi cái điện cái con nên thế chứ chắc là thang kiên lật chắc là thang kiên bo chắc là gor gor này bác cái là đi in summary cái thế chả là cái vô mà cái lưu cái nguồn pan chắc là rồi cái rồi vô cái chỉ Jonglei State giờ rồi diễn nhầm thì chắc là nông pan chắc là cái Jonglei cái message mới cầm nè cái so rồi giờ là này pan cái Jonglei cái thuốc lợn cái là thì phải thuộc cái mục tập governor là mục tập Dr. Riek Gai là governor of Jonglei State mục tập đấy chỉ cái này thì chả rõ đến giờ cái mục tập thì qua na threat cái public là na gor cái wargang này và chỉ threat cái cái này còn top figures individuals mà ran gor wargang ba jo jin sa cái jingaj ba cái mui cái problem ba tin còn là threat là warren tin luôn cái ba gor channel quen ray social media cái India là chuột mà nó dọn nó tê chua chắc là giờ pan jemala này message wo cái Jonglei State direct chắc là lần mấy cái này cái thread mà bara cái mục tập governor chắc là cái tung linh liền luôn luôn quan lệ lui này gì để có bác có là cái tung nọ đó traditionally and media đan mà nó còn đặc biệt cái tung nọ đó bây giờ cái mấy giờ là cái tung đó điên về gỗ rô ba loại na cái tung nọ đó có về the origins of the media về cũng là keep there. So en mi cherke no yen topic nyam in bana rajode ko ngu mi kwana dwai dwal jimuk ta Dr. Riek Gai ngu mi kwana threat mi kwana warning ga jaga public kaka ngani re muk ta Dr. Riek Gai ke ne kon kwana warn ka public ka position da ta ka tin de na warn ga jaga public individual ngu ko ka allow ka state. So here the raw can the corner Rajodian as a revision of yesterday talk me ran a Japan the pulling in the chilling there's no different can't have right and one meant to walk Jonglei State Jeremy Chakalan pan can men Chakatong no one Kumanan to Jonglei State right Dr. Riek Gai Chaon go core Jong no Tejua we can say Corfat or fun and who Bapayamne Jonglei increase without plan can't plan which kagwa na ta tin tam ko if we talk today Jonglei State case statistic take payam ni ti nang di bi dong wan indi bi dong wan kan operational payam ka continent dang bang wan so no wal Jonglei la take payam ni I mean la take payam na wal with the kel la take continue wal with the kel continue walu de kel wes payam ni ken to la chup ke jandang bakel te win metot la kid meji people administrative area meja ben chong de Jonglei do to payam nang jendie bidongwan ka continue na mangwan so chi governor dial ti chirwich ne ka depang ne ka kumman mal chon re bolne jok cha gor chirwich chabu gore Dr. Majubiel Kene beto ko chunkel ko ba payam ne ba increase to the extent and dan and be increase ke je Dr. Gai. Tell payam cha create out of payam ni take on the thin one to open yang the age we don't want a governor teach rich. So the reason that the cha payam ni cha increase ke je governor da teach rich ni wal ke governor teach rich before the guy. She will tell a complaint from communities about increment. She will tell native Bagatijo, okay, or Conogo Nepayam because of 1, 2, 3 reasons. The population pressure thin, the distance thin, the historical issues, China long a Mamakana Payam Kel Titagatin. La Baka, a governor to Conte Tichirich. Lakin the problem that Cha action a governor Kel, a begor of Payam to one bega create the calculations of the results. Plus, we take a legal process to Gurke. And Uba Payamba create. Payam is a big administrative unit. See, I'm taught. I take a budget, I take a structure of the government as the state as country. That need plan, need budget, need political will, a state, now agree, need consultation, go ground. The people will agree on certain issues. And go back with Payam. So, immediate. And no, la palga governor taro, would take a legal process, take logical issues that need to be considered first. Order, and no can decide. So instead, take a payam take issues medan for example, if you talk about Kobu, Jonglei State. A Kobu te ta payam to disputed payam, come in ke stand which is inter state dispute. Payam Barmach was one. Payam Barmach, Payam disputed area, a low Payamda, a Jukanya Payamda, and it is operational. Cooperate. So Payam more a problem you know that time when people talk about it, and that was a time the governor take a while they intervened. There are more no, very a lot. So cha on honorable dinner jok chagor and go Payam Barmach be chalka Kubo country. Because it is a disputed area, could go a legal process. The can go. Number one, go to consultation people on the ground, the Canadian content area. Number two, go to consideration state legislative assembly. Number three, go to the council of state, national level. They could be results. The Payam, they could walk it. So, no issue Payam, a meter process, your town decision of one person. May regard me one tomo. The Jonglei State. Check with the Jonglei State. We allow political things that you can deceive people. When they are not Kangaje. Chaon Gomugo, Regular Okian. Charola Ku and never Payam bug increased. Charola Ku and up for music and a Pachari Bagalat. One a pie work. So Chawaka Wuror. Chawaka Kayut. Ke distant to communicate with general. So it's a Benbor trying to implement the Koneolat areas and all. So major already major work or now you and by Maka Payam. Payam increase with a letter, which are gore, communicable, a time. So Payam increase from 6 Payam to Payam now well with a borrow. You say Payam Janaro, which are additional 15 Payam. Biar Payam nadi da Bakel get to 1 Payam. You got them Matur, win Matur can queer a Darwin within the same community. You may Payam of a world to which. So unsinkable. You are not can you roll you to no point of one in con lies collect allies policy the number. Take individuals, think I can find can own a mature langak. La mo yi Payam cholo should. Payam you are away too cold. She create. Payam we too could we all know too cold, one of the elder general. We tiger Yaga Jube. Allies to Dr. Gai, very close friend to him. so che mo pa yam cho la ge chu de taro ke ti cha ram kel le nu ne pa yam be create ti che lit ke ta na la pa yam ko create ke je ke kwa ken increase ke je ka wala ya dialo ken ge jinu so no me ku lu more Chinese content yang amal rod like the intellectual, the public figures, civil society activists, political commentators, and they don't participate activities, political activities, on social media. See, Banyal, token. They were questioning the merit. Who regard decision number what is the logic behind it. Number one, payam nang bakel ka contest. Think why they nang the age. We don't want to know. To the thin one, they need services. Te payam to dop. Tell a muktab. Tell a good will wall. Tell a good will gore. If you go payam one of thin by name. Very few people in Bor. Cham go yoga shoot payam no. Can I count? Payam the road to thin to existent to Chopajan we don't want. Bakal ka count in Namang one. Gurka upgrading, Gurka land. Number one, Gurka share. Number two, Gurka dul wall, Gurka dul gore. Gurka security maintenance within those payam. To be take a police, to take a court, to take a ganun, to be judged whether there is a government in that location. Sub services. We now going to talk think about the royal standard. People think about we can increase our payam. Not every area will be increased. But it about consider go consultation go ground, go consultation ka state government, go consultation ka national government, go te la kwa consider and go ba administrative area ba create te kwa kono go. Number one, go population ratio, number of people in that area to go payam. But no context of the country, go payam go need. But distance, come then go payam me, go service system content they can get share. Which are long one side or one side benefit. Kanande, but consider. By historical events, issues of problem come in up, the security problem. Baga consider. Tarot anyone to consider to qualify over payam ba create. So may elaborate in the content to activities like a jay or I am talk no more is a political deception which is correct. A deception. So you Dr. Guy can you quare? The reaction of civil society activists and political commentators can have the concerned community showing out of context. Showing alone and can look no kumela guy. Can we understand the concern of the public? 1, 2, 3. Here to corner out Quinn. Tell a duke, tell Odil wall, tell Odil gore. Existing payam. No more can get result. I don't know payam no care. You take out along the choir and a saraka. Nay, the contract you go kume and payam no be create. Take a security problem, which you can't belong to content. Like, for example, which you create in payam, you need police, you need security organs, others, security organ. Go to CID, go to Sijun, go to Sijin, Bunai Yentin. The government structure, the law enforcement agents, because you are available to that payam. Again, go to border, go back to the market border again. Demarcation of borders, my corner, Shima locally, even internationally. Take a problem. It need enforcement. Go to Ganun by enforced. We take a police, we take a security. We be able to maintain. Tapayam no corner rail log, me you need to get to corner pilot. Matur got a matur, the ching out of the room and a ching out of the room and a payaman. It is a problem. You can create deliberate, go to a big gap. Take a vital point. Take what pini, take what log, take what kang, take queer, take year, take rope, take another make a little. To go proper planning, go back at the payam. So may ben bor garga che la ra be jagana they feel they take it out of context che ta ya galat ko kenen logo ni decision randian which is not true lat kan talk che ga ta na cha ko ni the ben go point go now individual person che ta ya to gen won kwa ka target la gor ji warga ko kon ba ga ji lele ne should muk taba governor kon ji press unit kon ji revenue commission ko state like for example yana warga ya gor donga gai donga jana kwen me gor gar mala chola ni lo Moses kor gar al kor biel is a young activist gar young man me activist who participate in activities of the state mo amala gor mo go. So because of that good writing and clear message la kamana para mo your content your target again you donga gai chuarga you gor you kon saka yilling a ne you spread lies and fabrication about the office of the governor saka jinga now you are under problem baka you gor baka you jek you can all the threat you go re warga de ne gor public you ja. So muguji come office of the governor can office of the revenue commission who donga is a commissioner of the revenue commission connected with the minister of finance very far from the office of the governor. Firaimo Yogor is a public, I mean, is a government figure working with Dr. Riek Gai, Gadaman, Wade, Ryan Kaje, Taka Ken. We're not threat to public. So, we are Jordan. Recently, take a Jonglei, more civil society activists. Garmichuali Bol Dambol. Bol Dambol is one of Rion civil society activists. Tabor. Like a man of the mat. You can talk, you can respond to any issue that happening in the state. Are professional. May I get quick by Yamno Malada Yewo to Rigi and what can go. You are a guy with Tundu. Shiramu, the last man in the office of governor. Ramwa cameraman. Turujen. Garu yal MC Kor, Garu yal Kor Galwak is known by MC Kor on social media. A cameraman office of the governor. So what got a yogor, Yoramo, show one publicly. Oh, Conchaga, you the same speech you call Latke Dong, tell the Angelo Kor, Maganyo Malatke, Bol Dembo. What threat? So no more che consent che I believe even regard himself, there is a problem going on in his office. No more public irresponsibility. Office of the governor but you take official communication. Then there is a need for a thing like this. Office of the governor takes security me attacking. If it is a public threat, warning, Maran Bagor through security. May a public concern that need proper answer. Answer office of the governor. No office of the governor. The executive director, think office of the governor. The press secretary, office of the governor. Which my cameraman take it. As Secretary General, as G of the state, as Secretary General of the state can be in position to respond. No institution, but respond institution of the state. Mitawana. The Mugur Nati. Go bana warn can public. No more disparity, a misuse of social media in the name of the office. Or abuse the office of the governor can. So for that reason, let me ask in summary problem of Jonglei State. Again, I got to dung payam to quite increase. To people poor, Nangano quarrel with Badak with a bangwan. A regard. We do no consultation, Kairan, ground, state. National level. We don't want to call a large or a deception could assume now publicly. Can I call target? To call a threat public, to call a one, in which Quaram oblige an A to go in case of anything that happened, Bangajan in the area and on to a problem to the office of the governor of Jonglei State. There are no more beyond no attention of law, or noon, you got document. So if there is any coordination between the office of the governor, can an area the problem let Karan individuals? so that we'll be a defensive position tomorrow in case of anything. So no, agenda rajod, we can call it a day. And siriga summer machakalat, la nene nazu thread majatin, plus guma kwana thread gaje, we you ke dung payamanomo, shit talk what the same the public. We call it a day, and thanks for listening.